Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This is why I dislike Tesla owners. Drivers like this ruin it for the rest of us Tesla owners. Irresponsible drivers like this silly woman. I like to think that I am a responsible driver regardless of whether I drive a Tesla or not. And I like to think other drivers are responsible too, but having seen so many suspect drivers in Hong Kong, such as this latest example, my concerns about irresponsible and stupid drivers prevail. I have seen examples of bad dog owners driving ICE cars too, but seeing new Tesla owners being irresponsible tarnishes all Tesla drivers. I have said this before. Irresponsible and dangerous Tesla drivers will increase the insurance premiums of every other Tesla owner here in Hong Kong, and will also label every other Tesla driver as a Teslan, a colloquial term for a Tesla jerk. Please everyone, be responsible and drive safe.